I think that the most important thing now, today in Europe, is AI-generated content, because it's going in line with disinformation, but also conspiracy theories. So this is a very narrow line between what is true and what is manipulation. So it will be very hard for a citizen to distinguish between lie and a real statement. The key insight which I get from the project is probably the qualitative data, because it helps us to just insight beneath the surface of statistical trends. We know everyone some numbers from the statistical research, but they don't just define the trust. So only with our interviews and also with our focus groups, we could get to the information from the citizens about their concerns and, of course, how they just perceive the term trust or trustworthiness of institutions. Statistical data, it's only some long-term patterns. They are very important, but only with the use of qualitative study, we can achieve the whole view of trust. So trust, it's not only aggregate indicator, but with the qualitative insight, we've got information about the consequences, causes, and some concerns connected with public trust. I think that I learned a lot from this project. I met fantastic people here, and I think that the key value which I got from this project was networking. So different perspective of other scholars, but also a very good example of very close collaboration. So we just delivered some work packages because we cooperated. In Poland, we conduct 15 interviews with politicians, 15 interviews with CSO organization, and also 3 focus groups with different groups. It was the division of age and education, but also one group was from the urban area, one from the rural area, and one it was mixed. So we could get an insight into perception of trustworthiness or organization. I was very surprised because these people would like to talk a lot about trust, but more about their concerns. So the problems which are just around the trustworthiness of organization. So for example, they thought that central government is very distant from the normal citizens. So they trust local government more than central system in Warsaw. It is a quote from the interview. What is more, the trust in Poland is extremely fragile, but also contextual. So if, for example, some citizens got some good experience with people in the local government, they thought that they can trust them. But if they've got only some problems, they don't trust. So the trust is extremely conditional. Citizens in Poland trust the local governments because they know these people. So they know their values, they know their actions. So they can meet these people, they can talk to these people, and they think that this central governance, it's something just next to them. They are not involved in the whole national governance system.